Office scent of the day, si Paris Corner Eternal Meadows. Yan ang bibigyan natin ng review for today's video. So, si Paris Corner Eternal Meadows, nabili natin siya for less than 1,000 pesos sa marketplace. And this is one of the perfumes na masasabi kong gustong-gusto ko yung kanyang scent DNA. Now, ano ba yung ginagaya niyang perfume? As per some of the reviews, this is a dupe of Ultramall by JPG. Alright, and I can definitely say in terms of the presentation pa lang, for that amount that I paid for, very much worth it na. I think this is not a very glossy green. It's not flat green, I think. And then the branding is in front, and then ano nakakatawa sa kanya, ito parang Holland na cap, right? And then atomizer is cool. Now in terms of the atomizer, right, tama-tama lang naman yung kanyang buga, right? And ang opening nito ni Paris Corner Eternal Meadows is vanilla, lavender, and amber, right? Very simple lang yung kanyang structure. Ang maganda dito is yung naamoy mo yung kanyang vanilla and lavender at the same time. Ang ganda ng combination. Very sweet and very aromatic, right? For me. Now, in terms of the performance naman nito ni Paris Corner Eternal Meadows, I'd say that it's a moderate in terms of the projection, okay? Around 2 to 3 feet, maamoy ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. And you would have that scent bubble na pag naglalakad ka and hanginan ka, maamoy mo yung sarili mo. And it's just very pleasing and, nakaka-liven up pagka naamoy mo itong perfume mo, suot mo. Now, in terms of longevity, I'd say na si Paris Corner Eternal Meadows would be able to project I think around 3 hours. Okay, so the projection, naamoy ka na sa paligid mo, and then starts to become a skin scent at around the 4 to 5 hour mark. All right, and then it would last you up until the time that nakauwi ka na. All right, now sa shirt ko naman, hanggang ngayon, naamoy ko pa rin siya. So, that's been more than 10 hours already. Naamoy ko pa rin siya. So, very good talaga. Moderate din ang kanyang overall performance, as I would say. Siguro, I'd rate this performance at around 7 to 7.5. Now, for the scent DNA naman, I would rate it probably 8.5. It's one of the perfumes na sabi ko nga sa inyo, lagi kong ginagamit kasi ang sarap niya. Lalo na sa opening niya. And that opening would probably last good 2 to 3 hours. Not really 2 to 3 hours. Around an hour to 2 hours. So, yan. Yun yung gusto ko sa kanya. So, is it worth it for that 1,000 pesos that I've spent, or less than 1,000 pesos that I've spent for it? Yes, definitely. This is one of those perfumes na I would probably recommend to some of you viewers right now. Okay, now is it available locally? Yes, sometimes you would still be able to see this being sold in marketplace and some of the stores na available sa atin dito sa ating sa Metro Manila, and you just have to really search for it. So yun lang. If you have any questions, by the way, if you have any suggestions on any future videos, please leave a comment down below. That concludes our discussion or review for tonight. Yan si Paris Corner Eternal Meadows. Highly recommended. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!